Hello everybody, this is Kenneth with another YouTube video. And in this video we're gonna be discussing Nasdaq. Okay, Nas100. What are my views on Nas100 and all of that? So hopefully we'll be able to profit out of this. And before we begin, please do subscribe to the channel. If you like these videos, you like this kind of content, you want to learn more about trading, you're interested in knowing more about harmonic patterns and all of that. So if you are interested, please do subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell as well so that you may be notified whenever I upload a trading video. Okay, let's begin. As I said, we are looking at Nasdaq right now, and okay, let's just do this here. Hopefully we can get some network problems again. Okay, anyways, let's just do this one. We know that Nas100 is bearish, right? Is in the downside. Okay, as you can see here, we had price push down, price push up. It broke the previous low, made a new structure low, and then we went up, failed to break the high, and we pushed back down. So this is enough for us to know that the market is bearish because we also broke the structure low, right? And currently we are here wanting to see what the market will do. Okay, so naturally, if you only trade the trend and you're looking at structure, what you're going to be looking at is either retracement and another push to the downside. And that's not how we trade, right? So as much as we use structure is not the only thing that we actually look at, right? So in this case, I'm seeing another a pattern here, a harmonic pattern called a godly pattern. Is a bullish godly, and we've reached a level of completion here. And if you're looking a little bit deeper, we have another pattern here, which is a crap, a bullish crap, and we are rejecting on those levels, right? So as much as we are in a downtrend, we found a reversal point, and if you combine it with the trend line, then what trend line? Because there's also a descending channel, you can see we got our first rejection, our second rejection, our third rejection on the trend line, our fourth rejection, our fifth or sixth, and this is potentially our seventh rejection if the market does successfully reject from that level. So there is confluence, the first pattern, the second pattern, and the rejection of the trend line. But is that enough for us to trade, participate in the market? Not yet. So this is why we go to the lower time frames. Let's wait and see what the market can give to us. Okay, we are here again. As I said, we had this pattern first coming here. If you look into this pattern, well, we are now trying to increase our confidence. Based on that, we have another pattern here, which is called the shark pattern. This is an XABCD. This is a 113. This is a 38.2. This is a 88.6, where we potentially reverse. As you can see, we saw a bit of reversal, price back down, and price came back into this trend line. So this indicates to us that there's a higher chance of the market actually going up. Can we trade this? Yeah, because there are a lot of confluences that we already have, more than 4, right? Confluences that we already have indicating that the market is likely to go up. So you can take a buy, but taking a buy here, it's also very dangerous. It's a risk trade. It's a risky trade. Why? Because the market has not yet been it's not yet bullish. In a way, you'll be trading against the trend and that's trying to catch a bottom, right? So we still wait. As much as there's a lot of confluences, we still wait because we need one big confluence, and that is price moving in the direction of the upward trend that we are looking for. Okay, so let's go again to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what the market has to say there. Yeah, we also, this is the sharp pattern that I was speaking about, and this is another confluence as well, right? So we have an inverse head and shoulders pattern with a comeback in price that can actually take us higher. But then for us to know that that will actually happen, we need to see the market go up, break the previous high here, retest our bottom, I mean that the neckline of that structure, or this zone here. Okay, so it's either we're gonna retest the zone or the neckline of the structure, and from there that's why we can start looking for buying opportunities, because then we'll know the likelihood of the market going up is very high. And you can have all of this here, and still the market moves against you. That's why confluence is important, because price doesn't respect harmonic patterns. Price moves at random, so you can find all of these patterns around here, double bottoms, different kinds of harmonic patterns and all of that, and price still pushes down. So we always want to wait for confirmation before we actually exit the trade. And our confirmation will be price going up, break the previous high, and create a new structure high, and then a retest to take us to the upside. That's it on Nasdaq. So Nasdaq currently, we are in a bearish market and we can potentially continue down, but what I'm looking for is for price to actually turn around and be bullish on Nasdaq. And I'm not gonna be interested in taking trades up until we make this retest. If we can get the retest, then buying Nas100 will be a bliss for us. Okay, and that's it from me, and I want to thank you guys. Okay, yeah, good luck on your trading.